Hello. You are welcome to our channel once again. On today's video we are going to see how we can make $100 online. Yes, I repeat, $100 online. But it left with one thing. If you're new on our channel, kindly do us favor by subscribing to our channel, and like this video so we can bring more content like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to today's video. This site will pay you just for posting. You can post videos, pictures, articles and many more to earn by liking from others. The link for this is in the description below. So, let's see how we can sign up for this site. First, enter your username. Second, enter your email. Third, enter your password, and confirm your password. Fourth, click on the Agree Terms box. Then click on Let's Go. After that, a mail will send to your email for activation of account. Click on Confirm Email. It will redirected you to your web browser. In the browser, they will ask for your username and password to log in. Now this is the interface of the site. What you have to do is post something for people to like and get your money. And this is what someone has earned, posting in few minutes ago. Your earnings will be increasing when your posts are being liked by others. This is what I have earned, just for posting 2 pictures in 13 minutes ago. As I have already told you guys, kindly subscribe to this channel, and my Telegram channel, which link is in description. Thank you.